But if you do not accept your lower self for who you are and to overcome it, you won't be able to rise from it. See, your lower self is to teach you the lessons. Your higher self is to teach you the lessons. See, they go hand in hand. It's just like like basically how they put the devil on one side and the angel on the other side. It's your lower self and your higher self is competing to program your subconscious. See what I'm saying? They both is trying to influence your subconscious, because what's in your subconscious, that's what becomes your reality. So if you constantly on a low vibrational frequency, you're gonna get low vibrational thoughts. So you are your low vibrational consciousness is controlling your reality. That's why it's important for you to go within and rise up, raise your vibrations. Cause see, the vibration you on, like, see, you are not your thoughts. We get the thoughts from the level of vibration we on. So if you're on a low vibration, you're gonna get low vibrational thoughts. So that's what's controlling your reality. See what I'm saying? Ashe, ashe, ashe. That's what's controlling your reality. You get high vibrational. If you rise above all this and you work on yourself and go within and see things for what it is and rise up, raise your vibration, you get high vibrational thoughts, and that becomes your reality. Because every thought comes with feeling. See what I'm saying? Every thought comes with belief and feeling. So that's what creates your reality. So you get that. That's how they tricked us into manifesting a low vibration life for ourselves. That's how they tricked us into creating this matrix for them. Put us through all different things, man-made things, so that it tricks our subconscious into thinking that we are only human. That limited belief system. That's why they trying so hard to suppress that God within us. They're trying so hard to suppress that God. Everything that they do is basically to suppress that God within us. But we rise still. You gotta know how powerful you are. Love yourself. Love is the frequency. Love is the frequency, the highest vibration. That's why it's a must that you stay on a high vibration in love. 1111, ashe, ashe, ashe. Peace, love, and abundance to all. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in for the new earth. Ashe, the new earth is made of love. So if you're not vibrating on the love frequency, you are going down with the hate frequency, which is the matrix. The matrix is vanishing. We cooking that shit up. That's why you see that's why you see this shit is falling. You gotta let that shit go. Let that matrix go. You can't take that matrix. You can't take this third dimensional shit, like this physical shit, up into the higher dimensions. That shit is pointless. You can't take that with you. You cannot take that with you. Or what we going, we could create, we rebuilding. That means everything. Let the matrix go. That means everything, because Mother Earth is about to tear this shit up. Mother is tearing this shit up. All the natural disasters. Mother is tearing this shit up. That's what that's about. And you got, and that's why I like to always say this. The only way out is in. The only way out of this matrix is within yourself. Within the universe. See what I'm saying? You are the universe. Go within you. Yeah, burning that shit up. For real. The more you rise, the hotter you get, and the hotter the sun get. See what I'm saying? Because we are the sun. See the higher vibration. See the thing is, you gotta know how your body works, and you gotta know how Mother Earth works. Cause you know heat cleanses. Heat purges all the parasites and everything. Heat purges. That's what your body do. Like when you basically get a fever, your body get hot, so it could purge them symptoms. See what I'm saying? Your body get hot to cleanse itself. See, they call it sickness and want us to go to the doctor, but it's really not sickness, it's your body healing itself. See what I'm saying? But they want us to go to the doctor, their doctors, man-made doctors, so they can suppress that back in you to basically stop your body from healing itself. Ain't no such thing as sickness. Sickness is of the mind. We were programmed to think that we were sick because we were sick. A lot of our people are sick. See what I'm saying? That's of the mind. Sickness is of the mind. See what I'm saying? Like, it ain't no such thing. Your body is so intelligent that it heals itself. And what they call sickness is your body healing itself. See what I'm saying? And the thing is, we have to allow it to and assist it with doing that, which is go out in nature, go out in the sun and raise your vibration. See what I'm saying? That's how you help your body heal itself. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Yes, the mind can heal the body because you are the creator. Whatever you believe, that's what you receive. That's why it's so important. Like, see, like a lot of people that go to hospitals and stuff. A lot of people that go to the hospitals and stuff, and they diagnose you with something, and you believe that you just gave power to that diagnose. See what I'm saying? If you give that energy back to them, you won't be diagnosed. That's how they trick you into diagnosing yourself, because you give power to that. That's why a lot of people like they could be perfectly fine, like healthy as can be, but when they go to the hospital and they tell them they have something like cancer or something, they believe it. That's when they go down. And people be that, because you didn't give consent, you gave power to that. That's how a lot of people, yes. They don't, the crazy thing about it, they don't want, they actually manipulate you into casting a spell on yourself. See, because they don't have that power. But they just know how to manipulate our mind so that we cast a spell on ourselves. That's the true nature of it. See what I'm saying? They don't have that power. They manipulate us into casting a spell on us. Ashe, ashe, ashe. See what I'm saying?